How to use Google Gemini as a desktop app on Windows 11? You can install it directly from your web browser without downloading a traditional installer. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Go to gemini.google.com. If you're not signed in, click Sign In and log in with your Google account. Now, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Click Cast, Save, and Share. From the side menu, click Install Page as App. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install. Gemini will now open in its own dedicated window, just like a regular Windows application. To make it easier to access, look at the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click the Gemini icon. Then click Pin to Taskbar. That's it. You can now use Google Gemini as a dedicated desktop app on your Windows PC without opening it in a regular browser tab. And that's how you can install Google Gemini as an app on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows and Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.